Hi, this is Angela Moorad at OMazing Kids AAC Consulting. Well, I had quite a few questions from folks and wanted to clear up a little bit of confusion. Some folks thought that I was announcing that they're releasing a new app or that this was somehow replacing something. It's neither of those. I like to think of TD Snap as like a bookshelf or a library, and then your options within it are the books. So I'm going to go in and set up a new user so you can get a feel for what I'm talking about. I'm going to title this Demo Motor Plan. You'll notice I had to select UK because that's where the beta version is right now. Eventually there'll also, I'm sure, be a beta version for the US. So I'm going to go over here. It's a symbol-based AAC option, so I have that checked. And I'm going to use touch as my means of access, but if you're using something else, you could do that. And here's what I mean. See how it's added as an additional choice. It didn't replace Core First. It's not in a standalone app. It's in addition to all these other options that we've already had. Then you'll need to select Motor Plan 30 or Motor Plan 66. And if you go right here, it'll give you a little bit of information about them. They have identical vocabulary. The only difference between them is how many buttons you'll see per page, and then that correlates to if you have fewer buttons per page, that means a little bit more navigation, and a little less navigation if you have more buttons per page. So I'm going to click that one. That creates your new user like you're accustomed to. So I hope that helps clear up any confusion regarding that. It's not replacing anything, and it's not a standalone app. It's just something new that's joining the family of options within TD Snap.